Alright guys, so here we go. I wanted to make a video of me finally driving the Eclipse, even though I've been driving it for quite a bit now. I haven't made a video about it, so today I'm gonna show you guys how she runs and show you around the town a little bit. This is a Roswell, New Mexico, the alien city. So I'm gonna just drive around and probably not talk. If I find something interesting I might say, but yeah, she is running just fine, around 800 RPMs right now, and it switches the gears normal. So yeah, let's go for a ride. This is the alley, so pretty soon we're gonna get on the street. Try to readjust camera. Sorry for camera shaking. I also have some stuff in the trunk. That's what's it's some body panels from inside the Eclipse, and that's what's shaking and making that noise. Right here we're gonna get on the main street, and I'll take you where the whole UFO museum is and all that other crap. So there she is, guys. She is running. Did a couple of smaller pulls, and yeah, she is back like she's supposed to be. Runs, drives, shifts, really good. Just a couple of things that I still have to do, like the lid, and those are great. Those are great. The Brembos are just perfect. So yeah, just a small ride. Every once in a while I take her out, and like I said, there's a few more things to do here and there. She's a little bit dirty, and yeah, other than that, guys, she's been doing good so far. So yeah, that was the Roswell, guys, and that was the ride with the Eclipse. We don't have that many great places for shoots and all that, but yeah, hopefully you guys liked it, and yeah, of course, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, share it with your friends, of course, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Laters.